Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue System32 folder keeps popping up at startup in Windows 11. This issue is often caused by corrupted system files or startup misconfigurations. We'll fix it using command prompt and built-in Windows tools. Let's get started. Step 1. Open command prompt as administrator. Click the search icon on the taskbar, type CMD, and you'll see command prompt in the search results. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. If a user account control UAC prompt appears, click Yes. Step 2. Run system repair commands and in command prompt, copy and paste the command below to run system file checker SFC. Press Enter and wait for the scan to complete. This may take several minutes. Once finished, run the second command to repair system images. Press Enter again and wait until it completes. After both commands are completed, close the command prompt window and restart your PC. That's it. After restarting, the System32 folder should no longer appear automatically at startup. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more tutorial.